Good morning, students. How are you all? How are you? All are fine? Yes? So, you have to study from your home very nicely because exams are coming in the month of August. So, you all have to get good marks, no? Yes, all have to get good marks. So, study well. So, today we can take a new topic. Yes? So, we have completed the third chapter. So, now it is for you to study only. So, we can see what is the grammar coming in that chapter. Yes, every chapters have some grammars in the back side. That also you have to study. It is also very important. So, in the third chapter, you have the grammar portion coming is phrase and clause. This is a new term for you, phrase and clause. Yes, so you can see in the board I have written the title phrase and clause. Can you see that? Phrase and clause. So what do you mean by phrase? What do you mean by clause? Have any idea about anything? What do you mean by clause or what do you mean by phrase? Or you are hearing this for the first time? Yes, many of them may be hearing this for the first time. So we can see what is that. I have written here two examples. Can you see that? Can you read that? Please all of you read loudly. My best friend. First sentence is my best friend. Yes. And what is the second sentence? John is my best friend. John is my best friend. So, do you see any difference between these two sentences? Any difference is there? Yes. Anybody have noticed that the difference? In the first sentence, something is missing. What is that? My best friend. What is missing in the first sentence? Yes, subject is not there. Subject is not there, no? My best friend. That sentence have a meaning? My best friend. It is an incomplete sentence, no? That sentence is not conveying any meaning. It is not giving any thought. Yes or no? My best friend. But have you seen the second sentence? John is my best friend. John is my best friend. So that sentence is giving us a meaning, conveying that John is my best friend. Yes? So, phrase and clause. So I will tell that the first sentence, that is my best friend, don't have a subject. And it don't have an auxiliary verb also. So that is a phrase. That is a phrase. A phrase will not have a sentence structure. That means subject will not be there, verb will not be there, object will not be there. Then what will be clause? Clause will have a sentence structure. That is, it will have a subject, it will have a verb, it will have an object also. So that is the difference between phrase and clause. A phrase, the first sentence is a phrase. Okay, the first sentence is a phrase. This is a phrase. But the second sentence, this have a structure. It is conveying a thought also for us. To the people who is reading, it is giving us a thought. So this is a clause. This is a clause. So that is a difference between phrase and clause. So have you understood? So if anybody asks you what you mean by phrase and clause, you will be able to say the explanation. Yes. So we can see some types of phrases. Phrases is given more importance for you to study. Phrases. Clauses is not much for you to study. There are some types of phrases. Okay. I have written here noun phrase. The first type of phrase is noun phrase. Noun phrase. Second one, adjective phrase. Second one is adjective phrase. Third one, prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase. You please say aloud from when I am saying, okay. Fourth one is adverb phrase. Fourth one is adverb phrase. So these are the four types of phrases. Phrases, you know, phrases will not have a sentence structure. It will not convey as a meaning. So there are four types of phrases. First one is noun phrase. Second one is adjective phrase. Third one is prepositional phrase. Fourth one is adverb phrase. So these are the 4 types of phrases. It's clear for you? So we can see which are the, what do you mean by noun phrase, what do you mean by adjective phrase, what do you mean by prepositional phrase, what do you mean by adverb phrase. Yes? Are you ready? So we can see the first type, that is a noun phrase. Okay, the first one of phrase is noun phrase. So noun you know, no? What do you mean by noun? Noun means the name of a person, place, animal, thing. Yes? So what will be noun phrase? Okay, a phrase made up of noun or noun made up of phrase. We can see what is that. Noun phrase makes the nouns more specific. For example, I told you nouns means name of person, place, animal, thing, etc. So a noun phrase will be making a noun more specific, more clear. Okay. So for example, I will give an example so it will be clear for you. Woman. Woman. If I say woman in general, yes, woman in general, it is not specifying any woman, no? Yes or no? I am saying woman, man, book, anything I am saying in general. It is not giving any specification about anything. Yes or no? The mysterious woman in black. The mysterious woman in black. So here in this sentence, we are able to know which woman. Okay, the mysterious woman. The mysterious woman in black who had wear black dress. Yes? So here, which word is specifying woman? Mysterious. Here the noun is woman. In this sentence, the noun is woman. And which word is specifying it? Mysterious. Have you seen that? Mysterious. So it is specifying. So that is a noun phrase. Any word that is specifying a noun is called a noun phrase. Yes or no? Next sentence. The green spotty car. The green spotty car. Here the car is the noun. Car. Name of a thing. So in order to refer, or if I say car, it is not having any specification, no? But if I referring the green spotty car, that green color car, it is a reference, no? It is a specification, no? So the word that is used is green spotty car. Green spotty, that is a phrase. That is a phrase specifying noun. So that is a noun phrase. A noun phrase is something that modifies a noun. For example, noun phrase is modifier plus noun. Something that modifies noun is called noun phrase. Is it clear, the first type of phrase? Noun phrase. Noun phrase is something that modifies a noun. Examples I have written here. Something that is modifying a noun is called a noun phrase. Yes. So the second one is adjective phrase. So adjective, what do you mean by adjective? So you have studied many sentences. Have you seen, can you say an example for adjective? So what do you mean by an adjective? Yes, I will give you an example. So you have to say which is the adjective in that sentence. She is an intelligent girl. She is an intelligent girl. So which is the adjective in that sentence? Which is the adjective? She is an intelligent girl. Intelligent. So that word intelligent is giving or is more referring about what? She. Okay. She is an intelligent girl. Okay. Or that intelligent is giving more reference to girl. Yes or no? Intelligent girl. Yes. So here girl. Have you seen that she is an intelligent girl? Girl. Girl is what? Girl? Noun. Yes. So in order to refer that noun more specifically, which word is used there? Intelligent. Yes. So intelligent is an adjective. I told you intelligent is an adjective. So an adjective which used to modify a noun is called an adjective phrase. It's clear? It is only this much. Not much complicated. A word that modifies a noun in a sentence. That is an adjective phrase. Okay, so we can see what is an adjective phrase with examples. Yes, the movie was surprisingly good. The movie was surprisingly good. So this sentence is giving more importance to what? Movie. Yes or no? Movie. It is giving more importance to the movie to say that it was surprisingly good. So that is this is an adjective. Surprisingly good is an adjective. So these two words are modifying what? The noun movie. Yes, it is modifying the noun movie. So that is an adjective phrase. Okay. Next example, she is a highly passionate girl. She is a highly passionate girl. So which word is giving more importance to girl? Highly passionate. Highly passionate girl. Girl is a noun. So which word is using here? This is an adjective. Highly passionate. More giving importance to the noun called girl. So that is an adjective phrase. So the first one we have studied a noun phrase. Noun phrase is something that modifies the noun. Yes? Adjective phrase is an adjective that modifies a noun. That is called an adjective phrase. Is this two types clear for you? So there are two types also which we can study in the next class. So you have some exercises given in page number 34. 34 you are given some exercises. So please do that and also draw that table in your notebook. So if you have any doubts, we can clear it in the Google Meet. Thank you children.